Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Wi-Fi Wednesday. My name is Kevin Z. I'm founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, and I'm going to jump right into it because I actually just did some great training. For those who joined me on a previous webinar that I just finished off, I'll be sharing that replay with you all really shortly. So I'm not going to really repeat a lot of the content that I did in that webinar. It's more for those who are just getting started with Wi-Fi marketing. I'm sure a lot of you guys watching this inside the private Facebook group already know a lot of that stuff, but it might be of value, so I will share that as soon as it is rendered out. But that being said, I want to share with you guys something really special that I'm really excited about that is a long time coming because the Sales CRM preview is back. Now, if you remember previously, we were using the Facebook page to generate a live preview. Now, unfortunately, Facebook turned that off. Now, the news isn't that good. In fact, Facebook did not turn it back on. So, forget Facebook. In fact, this new integration that we built is, in my opinion, better than Facebook because it's something that everyone knows offhand. To use previously with Facebook, you had to know the name of the Facebook page to generate a preview automatically in our Sales CRM. Now, all you need is the client's domain name to generate things automatically. And this works in a couple places. So let me jump on over here and show you exactly where this works. So if you go inside of the dashboard, right over here, let me go back to my main area, go under Sales CRM. So I go to Previews. Here I go to Create New Preview. So the name over here, let's call it, let's say Burger King, or we can use McDonald's. Preview type here, you'll notice we now have website. So you can use an existing campaign, which in some cases it makes more sense if you really want to customize things. Then you want to go create a new campaign and then use that campaign, create a preview link from there. If you wanted to do things on the fly, now this is the least of the cool things, so you can just actually enter it here. So mcdonalds.com, you can click save. So all you need is the website. Everyone knows the website. Then when I preview this, this was automatically generated, so it automatically fetched the logo and the name. So I have the logo here and the name of the page here automatically, name of the company. Here I have my preview template that is taken from here. So let's say I choose Connect with Facebook. It also has fetched the like box, so it auto adds the like box here. So if I'm demoing this for a client, it is right there, front and center. Easy to understand why this would be good to use, and then it redirects right to their website, which in fact here has a push to the App Store and Google. So as you know, with our redirect, you can do deep links. So here are the links right here to use, the smart link, smart.link. It's a tracking tool, so we integrate with that as well. Easy to do here, and this is all generated on the fly. So here, as you saw, I had 0 views, and if I refresh it, or if I actually copy the URL and visit it, I will have 1 view over there. So that is cool at the Sales CRM, but what is even cooler is that you guys remember, so here if I have that visit, this will change to a 1. And if I have this link here, it's really, really cool. So all I do is I take my, actually I think I made it here easy for you to understand here. Yeah, so you take your portaldomain.com, and then so it's whatever your portal domain is, your custom domain. You add /p, P is for preview. And please write this down, take a screenshot, pull out your phone, take a shot, whatever. You'll have this on Facebook. You can pause the video here. I'll also share this with you directly inside in the chat. But it's yourportaldomain.com /p for preview / whatever the domain name is. So mcdonalds.com, BK for burgerking.com, facebook.com, whatever you're using for a domain name, whoever you're selling to, just get their domain name, put it here. In most cases, in like over 95% of cases, we'll have the logo, we'll pull it back. In some cases, we won't. The logo won't show, but it'll still pull up a preview, so it'll still work. But this is a great way to generate things on the fly. So take a look at this. So let's say here's how this works. Here's why it's so cool. So let's say I walk into a Wendy's location and I speak to the owner, and the owner's like, yeah, this sounds really good. Can you show me a preview? What do? I didn't come prepared. I don't have anything planned. So what I do is I open up my phone, I put in my, my domain, so my portal domain /p for preview /wendy's.com, which is their website. So this will automatically redirect under my own portal, your own portal, 100% white label. With this over here, automatically generate the logo, the name of the page, so I can quickly show this to the owner. I can go through these steps, and the coolest thing here is if I type in my name and email to that preview link, just automatically generated with my /p link. I have the like box embedded here. I redirect right to the website, which asks me to order online, order for delivery. So the great upsells, long-term growth opportunity there. Now the leads are actually listed inside my lead list. So it is super powerful, and it is something that you need to start using. So please write this down. Your domain, your portaldomain.com /p for preview / whatever the domain is.com. You can generate these automatically anywhere, right from your phone. You can use a tool, shortcut tool. So you can use like a keyboard replace tool that's both on iPhone and Android. So let's say type in like, W preview, and like if you ever type that, it will replace it with your portaldomain.com /p / you can type in your domain name there and make this happen really fast, or create a bookmark for it on your phone. Really easy to get some shortcuts to creating this, or just type it in, because it can literally get you a ton of sales. When you're there, anywhere you are, you can just type in a domain name and generate the preview automatically. You can also do a merge in your CRM. So those who know how to use merge tags in your CRM, you can put your portaldomain.com /p / variable here can be domain name, and just make sure the domain has, just has domain.com, doesn't have an additional HTTPS or etc. So it's just like the actual domain. That'll populate and auto-populate a unique link for every client that it's generated for, and anyone that clicks it, you'll get their leads automatically, so you'll see exactly who filled it out and who clicked it and who went through that whole flow. So super powerful. Cool. Something else we have planned is Playbooks. So I recently trained on a little bit of this, a little bit about the things you can upsell. So as soon as you drop in your Wi-Fi marketing solution, you start capturing data. So you're getting emails, names, phone numbers, all this other great data. First thing you want to sell is email and SMS marketing. So email and SMS messages, some scheduled reports to show how those are performing, how guests are coming in, and sub-user access. So you can actually sell sub-user access to your clients. For those who aren't already doing that, you should do that, because you can actually create an additional revenue stream and actually create less work for yourselves by allowing them to make their own changes. Second, you can upsell things like social media services, chatbots, and loyalty programs. You can upsell things like MobiPunch, so our mobile wallet marketing tool that has punch cards. That's all based on Apple Wallet and Android Wallet. They're mobile cards that have Bluetooth and geofencing and proximity marketing. All that built into loyalty, we integrate directly with tools like that. You can also sell clients things like, hey, now we have more people coming to your Facebook page. We got to give you a Facebook redesign or a refresh. Sell different kind of social media services. Sell things like chatbots. So we integrate directly with ManyChat, or you can plug in directly Facebook Messenger, or you can plug in WhatsApp. So either of those, you can create automatic chatbots through third-party chatbot tools as well, and sell that solution to your clients. You can also upsell additional things like reputation marketing. So set up a reputation strategy directly with GradeUs or GatherUp or TripAdvisor, or even build it yourself. Really easy to do. Sell that to your clients. Target clients even specifically that don't have good reviews, and sell them things like reputation management, all generated from Wi-Fi. Sell them things like ad retargeting, build an audience on Facebook, and sell that directly back to them. Run ads on Facebook of people that specifically or physically visited that location. A huge opportunity. Also, at this point, you've established trust. You can sell things like websites or SEO if you want, whatever, bigger packages, bigger costed, bigger projects. You don't have to do it yourself. You can even outsource it or refer it to somebody else. But it's an opportunity. Once you build the trust and start with Wi-Fi, you can use this playbook to upsell. So I have more training on this coming really soon. If you're interested, again, I know I've talked about this. I'm going to share some of the slides in the video recording that I just did inside this group shortly. In addition, I have new slides, new training, a whole bunch of additional stuff that I'll be sharing with you. And I'm actually having another blitz coming with some training, stuff that I'm going to be recording and then sharing with everyone shortly. So if you're interested in getting involved with that, please comment below and I'll invite you to that as well. Thanks everyone so much. Talk soon. And I can't wait, honestly, to share some of this cool stuff with you. Talk soon, everyone. Take care.